but in most cases we don't need it. Takeoff and landing, the most risky operations.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, you just let them stay and then go. About charging electric cars.
And then we have the big one that is all around here. And it charges this drone, and here is the receiving antenna. Amazing. Yeah,
Fly
that's,
forever, cloud to cloud.
the antenna weighs 500 gram.
The whole thing is 500 grams.
The whole antenna all the way around it.
Yeah, 500
Wow.
grams.
How much is the entire unit weight?
Loaded with 14 pounds, it's about 44 pounds, so about 30 pounds unloaded.
And how many kilowatts do you transfer?
7 kilowatts.
7
80%
kilowatts.
efficient to the battery pack, 8 minutes to charge fully.
Wow.
40-minute flight time. Non-ionizing safe cloud. FCC experimental approved already. You're in a 1 kilowatt cloud now, lighting those batteries, lighting those light bulbs.
Amazing.
This is the world's first safe power cloud. It's like a Wi-Fi cloud. It'll scale up to the air taxi like your elevator. So as I was telling him, as we double the radius, we get 16 times more power to receiving antenna in the same cloud density.
Ah, yeah. So the larger the antenna, the more
power on
the
the
more
same
power.
cloud density.
So you could charge a car the same way, right?
Maybe, except that you don't want to have a vehicle with a lot of parasitic metal losses. You've got a very heavy metal frame.
Ah, okay.
You need to have this
need a
receiving
carbon.
antenna, and this is inductive, so you need
Yeah,
to
yeah,
basically be in a situation where you're not absorbing a lot of losses
Yeah, yeah.
and heating metal.
Yeah,
But this is a spherical field, so you can be like 30, 40 feet off the ground with this drone.
Cool.
This drone is also special with this longer blade design, staggered. It's half the decibels of a traditional S1000
Oh.
Plus. Far more stable for filming activity, and it has twice the distance flight with that, and so it's actually far more efficient and quiet.
Uh,
There's really four fundamental improvements here: the quietness, the more efficiency of the layout, the wireless charging, the rapid charging battery.
wow.